What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through, step by step, exactly how to install the absolute most stable and smoothest media player out there right now. The latest version of IPTV Smarters Pro on your Amazon Fire TV Stick or any Android TV box. Best of all, the whole process is incredibly simple. Even if you're not exactly a tech expert, just follow along with my screen and we'll have this knocked out in minutes. Now, before we dive into the setup, I need to make a quick disclaimer to stay fully compliant with YouTube's community guidelines. The Smarters Pro app we're demonstrating today is strictly a 100% legal, empty media player shell. It does not host, provide, or contain any movies, shows, or live TV content whatsoever. You must provide your own legal streaming source to use it. If you want to be the first to get your hands on these exclusive, deep-level hardware optimization tricks, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe right now. Let's get straight into it. First things first, we need to completely bypass the basic factory restrictions on your device. To do this, you need an app called Downloader. It's totally free and super easy to grab straight from the official Amazon App Store. Just head over to the search bar on your home screen, type in Downloader, look for that bright orange icon, and click Download to install it. Once it finishes, don't open it just yet. We need to make a critical tweak deep in your system settings. Navigate over to the gear icon for your settings on the Firestick home screen, scroll over, and select My Fire TV. From here, you're looking for developer options. If you're on a newer device with the latest update and you don't see it, don't panic. Amazon just hid it from the menu. Simply click on About, highlight the name of your Fire TV stick, grab your remote, and rapid-fire click the center Select button about 7 times. You'll see a quick notification pop up at the bottom saying, "No need, you are already a developer." Now, hit the back button once, and boom! Developer Options is unlocked and visible. Open it up, turn on ADB debugging first, then drop down to Install Unknown Apps. Find that Downloader app we just grabbed and turn it to On. This is the master key step that gives us the permissions to safely install premium third-party utility tools. Alright, head back to your home screen and open up Downloader. You'll see a URL search box. Click on it with your remote. Now, instead of typing out some massive, complicated web address, we're going to use a special shortcut code. Just punch in the numbers you see right here on the screen, 6468112. Once that's in, hit Next at the bottom right of the keypad. The system will automatically redirect and start downloading the newest version of Smarters Pro. Just kick back and let the progress bar do its thing. Because we already enabled those permissions in step 1, as soon as it's done downloading, the install prompt will pop up automatically. Click Install down in the bottom right corner. Once it finishes, hit Done, do not hit Open just yet. We want to build good habits here, so hit Delete to trash the installation package we just used, and hit Delete one more time to confirm. Doing this frees up valuable storage space on your Fire Stick and keeps your device running at peak performance. Now, hit the Home button to return to your main dashboard. Launch Smarters Pro. On your very first boot up, you'll need to accept the terms of use, so just hit Accept. Next, you'll be hit with a few different login options. For the vast majority of premium streaming sources, selecting Login with Xtream Codes API is by far the easiest and most stable method. Click on that. You're now looking at 4 empty fields: playlist name, username, password, and your server URL. Once you punch your info in, just hit Add User. Once it loads up, you're officially inside the player interface. Let me remind you guys one more time. What I just showed you is purely a blank media player tool. To get the ultimate experience, you'll need to configure your own legal server parameters. If you hit any technical roadblocks while setting up your configuration, or if you want to chat with other power users about how to completely unleash your Fire Stick's absolute maximum capabilities, check out the link in the description down below to join our private Inner Circle tech community. My technical assistants and I are in there providing one-on-one private guidance to help you guys out. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you got any value out of this video, please make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on any of my future Fire Stick performance hacks and hidden settings. I'll catch you guys in the next video.